design features in our new Heritage collection is this gorgeous little leather tab. It's got our Heritage brand stamped in there and a cute little shell button, but undo that button and there's some purpose behind it. So this is actually a return to label. So with a fine felt tip pen or permanent marker, pop down your mobile number or your child's name, and that will help the hat get back to you in case they lose it. When filling out your return to label on the back of your little hat, it's best to use probably a finer tip Sharpie rather than a fat tip one. That way it won't bleed and the numbers will be nice and clear to read.